Hey guys, it's Patsy VR Girl and today I'm back in my studio. So today I'm gonna make some slime with no glue. Well, today we're gonna use some different conditioners. So first things first, I'm gonna add some powder. Some baby powder. You see it? So I add some powder, and then you add some BRA Kids Milk of Slime. This is turning like a doughy slime. Then you mix for a while. Get like this, and then I'll add some shampoo. It's really for my dad's mom's. Just really quick to add the shampoo, guys. Okay, and then you add any kind of shampoo, and then mix it in. You'll turn this kind of consistency. Then it will be really pokey. If you want a new, it's not that much. It's not that much shampoo. I'll add some more shampoo. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, now we mix some more shampoo in it. It smells really like powder. And then this is a no-glue slime, but we still need activator.
Oh, you're making a video.
Can I see it? You can go now, please. I want a lone video, please. So I can use this activator. There's too much activator. Okay, let's get mixing. And it kind of formed a little bit because of the shampoo, the BioRay stuff. It will turn a really clicky slime. I'll start with my hands now. And the powder can help a little bit of the scent, and though like it's gonna turn a little bit blue blacky. Oh, I should add some more activator. Activator go in. Oh no, I want that much. I want this to be a perfect slime. I'll keep mixing so I can have a perfect slime. Oh god, no. Sorry, this spoon is causing trouble. Trouble. Sorry guys, it's my mom. Mama, bigyan papika. Okay, that was my mom. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'll play it on the... it's so hard to make a video right now.
พอแล้ว
แป๊บเดียวหนูทำวิดีโอใกล้เสร็จแล้วมาม่า
พิมพ์ไปแปรงฟันยังไปแปรงฟันเร็วๆจะ4 ทุ่มแล้ว
Okay, I kind of got it out, and it's really sticky because it's kind of soapy texture. It still feels like soap. It's right here. Oh no, hell no. Okay. I'll add some more activator because it's too sticky. Maybe that will help. I don't know because it's shampoo. Okay, add some activator. Oh, that did help. This actually doesn't feel like glue, guys. If actually you want like a glue slime, I'm sorry, you should not watch no glue slimes. it won't turn like that. So if you guys really don't like really clicky slimes and stuff, I would not recommend you to do this. So it's just like a white glue slime. It's a feeling just like a white glue slime. Actually doesn't even feel like a glue, but it just looks like a white glue slime. I'm gonna add some more. So mine's getting real tough. Okay. So if it is not that type of you, just add some more of Berry View Kids milk, and it's a sunscreen, but I don't recommend the other sunscreens. I only recommend this sunscreen. I'll be really quick, guys. So because my mom is calling me to go to sleep. Okay, if it wasn't too tough, you add some of this. It will kind of cool down it. It is really good. Smells awesome. Smells just like powder. If you guys want to try to make this, you need the same activator, which is like this activator. Yeah, like that. I don't think you guys can find them, but if you guys find it, use it to this. We'll see you guys. That's for all today. Bye, guys.